Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Epson 522 black ink is probably one of the most essential consumables for anyone who relies on their Epson EcoTank printer for high-quality document printing, whether for home, school, or small business needs, ensuring that every page you print comes out crisp, clear, and professional-looking without any smudging or fading, which is crucial for important reports, creative projects, or everyday documents. Number 5. Epson 522 EcoTank Ultra High Capacity Black Ink Bottle. Experience vibrant colors that truly pop and incredibly sharp text. Our ink ensures you get high-quality, long-lasting prints every single time. Enjoy significant savings with our low-cost replacement ink bottles. You can print more for less compared to traditional ink cartridges. Our specially designed EcoFit ink bottles feature a unique key for effortless and mess-free filling. Say goodbye to spills and complicated procedures. This ultra-high-capacity ink bottle allows you to print for longer periods without frequent replacements. Get more pages from a single bottle. Trust in genuine Epson ink for reliable performance and consistently brilliant results. It's engineered to work perfectly with your printer. Designed to seamlessly work with specific Epson EcoTank models like the ET 2720, 2800, 2803, 2840, 4700, 4800, and 4810. Ensure optimal performance. What we like. This ink delivers high-quality, long-lasting prints with vibrant colors and sharp text. Its ultra-high capacity means fewer replacements. If you prioritize genuine Epson quality and ease of use for everyday printing, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Epson 522 black ink is a genuine Epson product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with compatible Epson EcoTank printers. This ink cartridge utilizes Claria ET pigment ink technology, which produces sharp, crisp text documents that are smudge and water resistant, making it ideal for everyday printing needs. Number 4. Starink 522 black ink refill bottles for Epson EcoTank. Experience vibrant, high-quality black prints with our compatible ink refill bottles. Designed for smooth performance and clear text, they're perfect for all your home and office needs. These ink bottles are designed for seamless compatibility with various Epson EcoTank models. Enjoy hassle-free refilling and reliable everyday printing with your compatible device. Get more out of every bottle. Each refill yields up to 6,000 pages, ensuring long-lasting use and fewer replacements for your printing tasks. This 3-pack provides a total of 210 milliliters of black ink, offering a cost-effective solution for families, students, and small offices with frequent printing demands. Our auto-stop design makes refilling incredibly easy and mess-free. Simply insert and fill without worrying about spills, ensuring a clean and efficient process. Trust in Starink for rich black tones and clear, sharp textures in every print. Enjoy consistent, high-quality results you can rely on. What we like. Get excellent printing results with smooth, clear colors and sharp text. Each bottle yields up to 6,000 pages, and the auto-stop design makes refilling mess-free. If you're looking for a cost-effective, high-yield option with convenient refilling for frequent printing needs, this compatible ink is a great pick. What people say. The ink is a genuine Epson product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Epson printers. This black ink cartridge provides crisp, clear text and sharp images, making it suitable for both documents and photos. The ink is formulated for quick drying, reducing risk of smudging and ensuring clean prints. Number 3. Printers Jack Compatible Epson T522 Ink Bottle Kit. Introducing the Printers Jack Compatible Ink Bottle Kit, designed to work seamlessly with your Epson SuperTank printers. This kit provides a reliable and cost-effective solution for your printing needs. Specifically formulated for models like the ET 2720 and ET 4700, this is regular ink for everyday refills, not sublimation ink. Enjoy smooth colors and natural textures with every print. Experience clear and vibrant prints thanks to our advanced micron stage filtration system. This process significantly reduces the risk of printhead clogging, ensuring consistent performance. Refilling your printer is simple and convenient, saving you trips to the store. It performs just like the original, offering great savings without sacrificing quality. Our product is ISO 9001 certified, guaranteeing excellent quality and reliability. We are committed to providing a 100% happy shopping experience for all our customers. What we like. Experience smooth color and textures with ink formulated for reduced printhead clogging thanks to its 3-stage filtration. It offers great savings without compromising quality. If you're seeking a reliable, cost-efficient refill that works like the original and minimizes printhead issues, this option is worth considering. What people say. The ink is a genuine Epson product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Epson printers. This black ink cartridge provides crisp, clear text and sharp images, making it ideal for documents and photos. The ink is formulated for quick drying, reducing the risk of smudging and ensuring clean prints. Number 2. Hiipoo Sublimation Ink Refilled Bottles. Introducing our Sublimation ink, designed for a seamless printing experience. It works with a wide range of inkjet printers, making your creative projects effortless. Achieve stunning, vivid colors without needing ICC profiles. This water-based ink offers high transfer rates, bright hues, and excellent durability, ensuring your prints look amazing. Forget the mess of syringes. Our innovative bottle design fits perfectly into your printer's ink inlet for a clean, automatic refill. Save time and avoid spills. Perfect for personalizing mugs, t-shirts, pillows, and more. Let your imagination run wild and create unique gifts for everyone you know. Certified for quality and stability, this ink is built to last. Enjoy peace of mind with our commitment to high performance and reliable results. Ideal for printing on fabrics with less than 30% cotton, and a variety of other items. Explore endless possibilities for your custom designs. What we like. This sublimation ink is specifically designed for vibrant, high-saturation heat transfer printing on various materials. Its syringe-free, auto-stop refilling makes the process clean and easy. If you're into creating custom t-shirts, mugs, or other personalized items and want vivid, durable transfers with a hassle-free refill process, this ink is ideal. What people say. The ink is a genuine Epson product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Epson printers. This black ink cartridge provides crisp, clear text and sharp images, making it suitable for both documents and photos. The ink is formulated for quick drying, reducing the risk of smudging and ensuring clean prints. Number 1. Epson T522 EcoTank Ink Bottles. Slash your printing expenses significantly. Save up to 80% on ink costs compared to traditional cartridges with these low-cost replacement bottles. Enjoy printing thousands of vibrant pages from each bottle. The ultra-high capacity ensures you get more prints for your money. Experience consistent, reliable performance and stunningly brilliant results every time. Using genuine inks guarantees quality. Refilling is a breeze with our uniquely keyed EcoFit ink bottles. The design ensures a clean and simple process. These are ideal for select Epson EcoTank printers. Produce lab-quality photos and sharp documents with ease. What we like. Achieve significant savings on ink costs with these ultra-high-capacity bottles, offering thousands of vivid pages. They are designed for easy, clean filling and reliable performance. If you want to drastically cut down on printing expenses while maintaining excellent print quality for photos and documents, this genuine Epson ink is a smart investment. What people say. The ink is a genuine Epson product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Epson printers. This black ink cartridge provides crisp, clear text and sharp images, making it suitable for both documents and photos. The ink is designed for high-yield printing, offering a good number of pages per cartridge, which can be cost-effective in the long run. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.